official information for the 2019 IIHSA Euro TMT yet accessible, yet why the Euro TMS there so far is great. Official crash test information for the 2019 Honda Insight IIHSA Euro TMT yet accessible, so we Euro withholding our score until further notice. Missing outcomes from the IIHSA, we Euro supported by standard dynamic wellbeing highlights at each trim level. The 2019 Insight has a similar essential structure with the Honda Civic, which earned best a Euro or good a Euro scores by the IIHSA for crash security and earned a generally uncommon 5-star rating in all cases by government analyzers. Just a Euro or PA or Euro rating for headlights shielded the Civic from climbing our scoreboard further.The news shows signs of improvement. All Insights are outfitted with dynamic security includes that Honda calls a Euro or HondaSensing. A Euro. The package incorporates forward impact alerts with programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, activity sign acknowledgement, and programmed headlights. X and touring trim levels get a mirror-mounted camera on the correct side that helps look into that blind side. The IIHSA praised HondaSensing a Euro o superior or Euro in maintaining a strategic distance from low and fast crashes up to 25 miles per hour in different autos. We expect the same from the Insight when IIHSA Euro TMS tested. Clever bundling, for example, a battery in the transmission burrow close to the driver Euro TMS knee, implies that the Insight offers a decent estimated trunk that should hold a lot of apparatus. A wide trunk opening makes the space substantially more accessible to utilize. A 60-40 split collapsing back seat is standard on X and touring trim levels. Dynamic commotion scratch off in all Insights endeavors to subdue outside clamors, albeit some channel into the lodge at any rate. As a result of how the two-mode half and half framework works, we cover the powertrain above, some of the time the motor and generally speed arena Euro TMT in a state of harmony with the driver Euro TMS right foot. That prompted a noisier lodge that we expected at focuses around Minneapolis. Contrasted with a Toyota Prius, the inside a Euro TMS motor appeared to be noisier in spite of the fact that the Honda was more agreeable by and large.